Shreya, GPA of 3.99. It's not an easy thing, but still, let it go along. Because we all see gold medalists. It will be Mr. this one, Mr. that one. Today I see a lady standing here with the GPA of 3.99. You need to clap a little louder. You're looking for motivation? Please don't look it on the network. Okay? It's here. If I have to ask you all a question, do you all have a mobile phone? Trust me, everything must be half a lakh minimum. 1 lakh odd also must be there, but minimum half lakh, 30,000, 40,000 will be there. Internet is there, yes, you'll have the best Gs. Sure, now it must be the 5Gs too. Okay, wow, lovely. So I'll ask somebody, anybody, you can volunteer, please stand. After you stand, I'll ask the question. Because people won't answer. Lady with a black color thing. Why me? I always love women, but I don't have any other attached to that, okay? I love to talk to students, especially girls, because you are the future of our country.
Yes.
50% we are there. So we teach our children too, we teach our husbands too, we learn ourselves too. But with the men community, they only learn. So I will ask you.
Yes.
Yes, I'm sure you have a phone.
Yes.
And network.
Yes.
Fantastic, you're very good in swiping and things like that. Which was the best message you remember forwarding 3 days ago?
The founder and CEO of Mission Mentors. Happy to be the chief guest of the today's function. The iDreams Project Management FID function. iDream is an organization which conducts management programs in collaboration with the US-based New Education Foundation and many other related institutions which are based in New York City. And the students are being well versed with the new kind of projects what is required, and the students are being trained online, and as well as the personal mentoring is being done. And I'm very happy to be part of this program, and all the students very excited to get this award of the project management certifications. I wish all them best.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪದ್ಮಾಕ್ಷಿ ಲೋಕೇಶ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಕರೋನಾ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಇಂಥದ್ದು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ನಡಿಬೇಕು, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು ಏನು SUNY ಅವರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟಿಂದ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ರ ತಕ್ಕನಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಸಿಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೇನೋ, ಏನೋ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ರಲ್ವೇನೋ, ಇದು ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನೇನೋ ಕನಸಿನ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಬದುಕಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಾಧನೆ ಯಾರ ಸ್ವತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
Today's program is organized by iDream MBA to its MBA students. The program called Project Management from State University of New York, which is also associated with National Education Foundation, offering the merit scholarship to the students to pursue this program. And I have to thank Dr. Appu Kutan sir, Dr. Anthony Betres and Dr. Chandrasekhar SS for their extended support in executing this program. And I have to congratulate Miss Shreya Yadav for securing a gold medal in this program, and it is a prestigious thing for us. And Dr. P. Srinivas Rao was the chief guest, and Padmakshi Lokesh also was the chief guest for the program, and they have given the beautiful words and a motivational speech to our students. And the program is being scheduled on 26th of February at 5:30, and it went on really well, and all the students were participated in this and secured their certificates, and the program went on really good. Thank you so much. Thanks to everyone.
I want to thank Harsha sir for giving me the opportunity, actually giving all of us the opportunity to grow in such a field, having a university from State University of New York, getting such a prestigious project as a project management course and having a secure gold medal. It's really an honor for me and a great achievement for me. So I want to thank only Harsa sir for giving this opportunity.
Today's event, we had a great success in achieving project management here for 35 students. We had one gold medalist who has achieved 3.99 GPA on the 4. So the project management was given by State University of New York, which is a great achievement for us. Thank you so much.
Renowned universities in America. Before I introduce Tony, let me make an important announcement. NEF and SUNY have just launched a national program in India to provide Indian graduate students an opportunity to earn master's degree from SUNY, with the first 9 credits subsidized by NEF and SUNY, so that the students can earn the degree from SUNY with online SUNY courses from India or on-site.
And congratulations to everybody there. I'd like to say a few words about learning. It has been my family business, so to speak, here in the United States. I have a family full of teachers. Over 30 of my immediate relatives are teaching in various capacities. And we have sort of a lot to say about it. So the first thing I'd like to say is that learning starts in your home. You know this as children and as parents and as part of a home and community. Learning starts there, and it provides the foundation for future learning.